The Pi network has always aimed to make cryptocurrency accessible for everyone, regardless of their background or technical expertise. From the very beginning, Pi's mission has been to break down barriers and invite people from all walks of life into the world of digital assets. Today, March 31, 2026, marks a major leap forward. The Pi core team has announced the upcoming launch of its own cross-chain bridge, a move that will redefine what's possible for the Pi ecosystem. This isn't just another update, it's a foundational technology that will connect Pi to the wider crypto world, opening doors to new collaborations and possibilities that were previously out of reach. For years, Pi was a self-contained ecosystem, building strength and security within its own network. The focus was on creating a robust foundation, ensuring that users could trust the system and its underlying technology. But the future of blockchain is about connection, not isolation. True innovation happens when networks interact, share, and grow together. The cross-chain bridge will let value and data flow freely between Pi and other major blockchains, such as Ethereum and BNB chain, creating a dynamic web of possibilities. This opens the floodgates for innovation, liquidity, and utility, transforming Pi into a true player in the decentralized economy. It means more projects, more partnerships, and more real-world use cases for Pi holders. For developers, it means new opportunities to build cross-chain applications and tap into a broader user base. For businesses, a secure entry into Pi's expanding ecosystem with the confidence of robust security and compliance. For users, more ways to use your Pi than ever before, from trading and payments to accessing new decentralized services. We're moving from an enclosed network to an era of true interoperability, where Pi can interact with the global blockchain landscape. This bridge is the key to unlocking seamless asset transfers, cross-chain collaborations, and deeper integration with the global financial system. Pi is evolving from a closed-loop economy into an open, interconnected powerhouse. And this is just the beginning of a new era for the Pi network and its community. The journey toward a more connected, accessible, and innovative blockchain future starts now, with the cross-chain bridge leading the way. Let's break it down. Think of a cross-chain bridge as a currency exchange, but for blockchains instead of countries. It's a tool that lets you move your digital assets from one blockchain to another, even if those blockchains are built differently or don't usually talk to each other. Imagine you have dollars in the US but want to spend euros in Europe. You need a service to convert them. In the blockchain world, you might have Pi coins but want to use them on Ethereum or BNB chain, which are like different countries with their own rules. Each blockchain is its own digital country, complete with unique rules, currencies, and communities. They're powerful on their own, but isolated. These blockchains don't naturally communicate, so a bridge is needed to connect them and allow value to flow freely. Here's how it works. The bridge locks your Pi on its original blockchain and then creates a wrapped version of Pi on another blockchain, like Ethereum or BNB chain. This wrapped token is a digital stand-in for your real Pi. This wrapped token represents your original Pi and can be used in the new ecosystem, letting you interact with apps and services that weren't possible before. Think of it as swapping a coffee shop gift card for a bookstore one. The value transfers, but the format changes so you can use it somewhere new. This flexibility lets you use your Pi in entirely new digital worlds, opening up opportunities for trading, investing, or joining new communities. With Pi's cross-chain bridge, you're no longer limited to the Pi ecosystem. You can connect, collaborate, and innovate across the broader blockchain universe. You can move assets to other blockchains and explore DeFi, NFT marketplaces, and countless other decentralized applications that were previously out of reach. It's essential infrastructure, connecting Pi's massive community to the broader Web3 universe, and making the digital economy more open and inclusive. Thanks to cross-chain bridges, the digital asset space just got a lot more unified, accessible, and full of possibilities for everyone. Pi's cross-chain bridge will first connect to Ethereum and BNB Smart Chain, two of the biggest crypto networks. This instantly expands Pi's reach and utility. Through the Pi app, you'll be able to lock your Pi and mint wrapped Pi, WPI, on either chain. WPI can be used in DeFi, traded on DEX, or spent on NFTs, just like any native token. When you want to return, send your WPI back, and your original Pi is unlocked. This two-way mechanism keeps your value consistent and secure. The bridge is your passport, letting your Pi travel and participate in the world's busiest digital economies. This seamless connectivity transforms Pi into a dynamic, liquid asset across the crypto landscape. What does the cross-chain bridge mean for you? In a word, freedom. Before, your Pi was mostly for use within Pi apps. Now, the walls are coming down. You can move your Pi to other blockchains, participate in DeFi, earn interest, or provide liquidity. Opportunities once reserved for crypto buyers. Gamers can use Pi in blockchain games. Artists can buy NFTs on new platforms. The bridge turns your Pi into a universal key for the entire Web3 world. Your Pi becomes a passport to a global digital economy, unlocking new services and communities. This is a huge step toward making crypto not just easy to mine, but easy to use. The time you've invested in Pi now translates into real, cross-chain utility. Alongside the bridge, Pi is integrating smart contracts, self-executing agreements coded on the blockchain. Think of them as digital vending machines. You put in the input, and the output happens automatically, no middleman needed. Smart contracts enable automated trustless transactions like bets, payments, or royalties without human oversight. With smart contracts and the bridge, developers can build powerful dApps exchanges, lending platforms, supply chain tools, and more. Businesses can automate payments, and artists can receive royalties instantly. This automation reduces costs, eliminates errors, and removes the need for banks or lawyers. For users, it means more reliable, sophisticated services. The smart contract upgrade is the engine powering Pi's next generation of utility. Combined with the bridge, it makes Pi a truly dynamic and capable platform. The future of Pi is automated, secure, and open to endless innovation. To welcome businesses securely, Pi is launching a Know Your Business (KYB) program. Like KYC for individuals, KYB verifies the legitimacy of businesses joining the Pi mainnet. Approved projects get an official Pi wallet, a badge of authenticity for over 19 million users. This ensures only real, accountable businesses can build on Pi, reducing scams and boosting trust. For businesses, it's a unique chance to tap into a massive, engaged user base. The KYB program encourages high-quality growth and filters out bad actors. Pi is laying the foundation for a thriving, secure digital economy. Beyond technology, Pi's greatest asset is its vibrant and ever-growing community, now boasting over 19 million verified users from every corner of the globe. This isn't just a number, it's a living, breathing network of people who are passionate about shaping the future of digital currency together. This user-first approach has been at the heart of Pi since its founding by Stanford PhDs, Dr. Nicholas Kokalis and Dr. Chengdiao Fan, who envisioned a platform where everyone could participate in the digital economy, not just a select few. By making mining accessible to anyone with a smartphone, Pi dramatically lowered the barrier to entry, allowing millions to join the movement and take their first steps into the world of blockchain technology. The extended period of mobile mining wasn't just about distributing coins, it was about fostering a sense of ownership, participation, and community spirit among users, encouraging them to learn, grow, and collaborate. Now, with the introduction of the cross-chain bridge and smart contracts, this global community is empowered like never before, able to become active economic participants and innovators in the digital space. For developers and businesses, Pi offers a ready-made audience that is not only massive, but also highly engaged and eager to try out new products, services, and ideas. The unique combination of user-friendly technology and a dedicated, enthusiastic community truly sets Pi apart from other blockchain projects, making it a standout in the industry. With powerful new tools at their fingertips, the potential of this collective is about to be unleashed on a global scale, opening doors to innovation and collaboration like never before. Pi's greatest strength has always been its people. United by a shared vision, they're now ready to step onto the world stage and make a lasting impact. To appreciate today's news, let's look back. Pi began in 2018 with a simple idea: let anyone mine crypto from their phone. The enclosed network phase built community and tested the system. The open mainnet launch in 2025 turned Pi into a live, functioning blockchain, enabling wallet transfers and real dApps. PiDex, launched in March 2026, brought on-chain liquidity and proved Pi could support complex financial apps. Earlier third-party bridges were risky and unofficial. Now, the core team's bridge offers a secure, reliable solution. This journey, from mobile app to live mainnet, DEX, and now an official bridge, shows Pi's deliberate, step-by-step execution. Each milestone brings Pi closer to its vision of a truly inclusive digital economy. The cross-chain bridge, smart contracts, and KYB program mark a turning point for Pi. These upgrades work together to unlock the ecosystem's full potential. The bridge connects Pi to the world, smart contracts power innovation, KYB ensures safe, sustainable growth. Pi is now positioned to attract activity and liquidity like other top blockchains. The vision, a unified, accessible digital economy where your Pi can be used anywhere. Businesses can reach millions, and developers can build the next wave of decentralized tech. For every pioneer, this is the moment Pi's promise becomes reality. The future isn't just bright, it's interconnected, and it's happening now.